Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to show you how to create a graphic design poster without Photoshop. So let's get started. Click the link below the video in the description. It will take you to the new browser called Canva. Canva is the free source website for graphic design with simple tool. You can make all sorts of designs using Canva. Simple drag and drop options were used to create the designs. Now sign in with Google. Click Create a Design and choose the relevant design layout for your design. Also, you can create specific dimensions by using Custom Design. Insert the resolution and click Custom Dimensions. In the template section you can use the default template from Canva. You can simply click and move the elements you want. On the top layer you can see the elements to edit your design. You can change the fonts, font size, and many more using the options. You can change the color of the text. And also change the alignments of the text. Use Ungroup option to ungroup the combined object. Position the text by Position option. Click this icon to adjust the transparency of the image. Next, click Photos to use the photos on your design. By simply dragging the corners you can adjust the image. In Elements section, you can use all sorts of illustrations, shapes, frames, etc. Just by dragging the image inside the grid, it will automatically align. By double-clicking on the image, you can adjust the image. By this manner you can design the images. You can use stickers for animated poster. Canva also allow you to download in video format. Use all type of illustration which you want in your design. In Text option you can create new text. And also you can use the templates from Canva. Click Background to change the background images using Canva templates. Also you can use the solid color for background. Click the Upload option to upload your images from your computer. You can edit the image by using Effects. Click Filters to use filters for your images. By using Adjust option you can adjust the image. Also you can use Crop and Flip options. Use this plus icon to open the new page. Use this icon to duplicate the page. In download option you can change the format of your file. And also you can select the page which you want to download. And click download to download your design. Also you can use the trial version by clicking here. Pick a plan and enter the card details to unlock new features and images. You can also create a logo in the paid version of Canva. And this is how you can design the poster without Photoshop using Canva. Thanks for watching the video. For more tech content, subscribe to our channel and get notified.